Unlocking the mystery of has a tan. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to decode a very common English phrase you might hear, especially during the summer months. Has a tan. We'll discover what it means, when to use it, and how it fits into everyday English conversations. So, let's dive into the sun-kissed world of tanning. When we say someone has a tan, we're talking about the change in skin color that happens after spending time in the sun. A tan is often seen as a healthy glow, a sign that someone has been outdoors, enjoying sunny days. The phrase can be used both as a verb, to tan, which is the act of sitting in the sun to darken the skin, and as a noun, a tan, referring to the result of that action. In many cultures, having a tan is associated with a lifestyle of leisure and health. It implies that a person has had the time to relax under the sun, possibly on a vacation or a break. However, it's important to note that cultural attitudes towards tanning can vary widely around the world. In some places, a tan is sought after, while in others, paler skin is preferred. Now, let's put has a tan into action. Here are some examples. When she returned from her holiday in Greece, she had a beautiful tan. I can tell you've been to the beach. You have a tan. It's also common to use the phrase when comparing before and after. He didn't have a tan before he went on vacation, but look at him now. We can also talk about the degree of someone's tan. Here are some adjectives you might use. She has a light tan, not very dark. He has a deep tan, very dark. You have a golden tan, a rich, warm-colored tan. Remember, context is key. Depending on the situation, the phrase can either be a compliment or a statement of concern for one's health. I hope this sheds some light on the phrase has a tan for all you sun-loving language learners. Remember, English is full of phrases that reflect culture and lifestyle, so understanding them adds that extra shine to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be glowing with confidence in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next lesson together. Until then, take care and keep learning.